Hello friends, my name is Maksud and you are watching Designbazzar. Select ellipse tool and make a circle for body. Another, make a small size circle for head. Make circle stretch using hold Alt key and drag the mouse. I will make another circle for bill. Select side and make neck part using circle, and then select pen tool for more detailed work. Select brush tool and make a curved line for belly part and flipper. Select pen tool and join the anchor point and fill the shape on white color. Select shape builder tool and cut out side shape. Select body and head part and go to Pathfinder and make unite. Make eyes using circle and move right place. Type logo name according to your client requirement. Create outline or expand the font. Make offset path and select shape builder tool and cut the below text. Make offset path. Unite and change the color. Select shape and slide right side. and select the shape and move slightly right side.